Now, why the dialogics? Initially, I wanted to use the dialectics as the method of that study. But two things. One, the presupposition, one of the presuppositions of the dialectic, particularly the Hegelian dialectic, the need for violence, conflict, and confrontation in the eruption of development or evolution of reality, or the movement of the absolute spirit towards the realization of freedom. Now, I was not comfortable with that because the world that I experienced as I was growing up did not teach me that violence was necessary for growth and development to take place. And so intuitively I questioned that presupposition. And then the question of the stages of the dialectics, the thesis, the antithesis, and the synthesis. I saw some gaps. The thesis, yes, I can understand. You must start from somewhere. Wherever you are starting from, you are presupposing something. But when you have started from somewhere, you should be consistent with where you're starting from. And so, yeah, accepting the thesis, that the next step is the antithesis, seemed to me there was a gap. Before the antithesis poses itself as an antithesis, it proceeds from the thesis. And that moment of proceeding from seems to be buried in the desire to pose the antithesis as an antithesis. And I say, no, let's recognize it. And so I call it the enthesis, the process, the moment of proceeding from. And because I am not working with the conflictual methodology or attitude or approach, I see, yes, when we have an issue, we can fight about it, but we can also dialogue about it. And we can have differences because naturally my position must not be your position. But we can also look at where are we going, and it seems that where I'm going is where you're going. And so proceeding from, the next step must not be a fight or a conflict. It could be a mutual recognition of our journey towards a common point. And at this point, the enthesis, the proceeding from, becomes proceeding to, and it becomes a prothesis.